Hey, what's up people? We about to do a quick unboxing of the Apple Pencil Generation 2. Let's get straight to it. Ordered this through Verizon for use with my iPad Pro 12.9 inch. Earlier I did an unboxing of the LAKEY Apple Pencil alternative, and it was actually pretty good. If you want to check that out, I'll leave the link in the description. So you have the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Okay, let's see how this opens. Okay, like it slides out from the side. Designed by Apple in California. So I guess this must be your instructions. Here comes the instructions. So if you want to take your time and read those, you have that there. Let's get to the main attraction. Okay, so it actually feels similar to the one I got off of Amazon. Let me take this plastic off. I'm not really going to go into too much depth with this because I will be coming out with a full review after I had some time of using it. But yeah, pretty simple design. Feels nice in the hand. And this is the model that supports the wireless charging. Let me show you what it looks like compared to the $30 version off of Amazon. So here's the one from Amazon. And this is the Apple Pencil. So they're actually very similar. Almost the exact same size. Almost the exact same design. Flat on one side, rounded on the bottom. The Apple Pencil is a little bit heavier, but not by much. But there you have it. So I will be doing a full review of the Apple Pencil after I have some time with it. And I will be doing a comparison video between this $30 Apple Pencil and this full price $130 Apple Pencil. So if you like this type of content, stay tuned, drop us a like, stay subscribed or get subscribed. Also, I'll have a link to this, an Amazon link to this if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.